Yes, let's take a question on the chapter Linear Inequalities. The question is, a manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% solution of acid. How many liters of 30% acid solution must be added to it so that the acid content in the resulting mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%? Yes, let's try to understand the question. The question is, a person has 600 liters of solution of acid with concentration 12%. Right? Now he is asking, how many liters of acid solution with 30% concentration should be added to it so that the acid content in the resulting mixture will be more than 15% and less than 18%. Right? Abhi, originally the concentration of acid is 12%. 30% कंसंट्रेशन वाला कितना सॉल्यूशन इसमें ऐड किया जाए so that in the resulting mixture the percentage of the acid is more than 15% and less than 18%. So that means, according to the question, originally the quantity of the solution is 600 liters. And in this original solution, acid content will be 12% of 600. So it will be 12 by 100 into 600, that is 7200 over 100. This is the acid content in the original mixture. Right? Now, let X liters of 30% acid solution be added to it. When X liters of 30% acid solution be added to it, then in the resulting mixture, the quantity will be, yes, originally it was 600, to it we have added X liters more. So total quantity will be 600 plus X liters. Right? Now, in the resulting mixture, acid content will be equal to, yes, originally the acid content was this 12% of 600, 7200 over 100 plus, in this the acid content will be 30% of X. Right? So it will be 30x by 100. So when this is added to this, so total acid content in the mixture will be this plus this, that is 7200 over 100 plus 30x by 100. So it is 7200 plus 30x over 100. So percentage of acid in the resulting mixture will be acid content upon total quantity into 100. This is how we calculate the percentage. So acid content in the resulting mixture is this. So 7200 plus 30x over 100 divided by total quantity total quantity is 600 plus x into 100. Right? This will get cancelled out. So I'll be getting 7200 plus 30x over 600 plus x. This is the percentage of acid in the resulting mixture. Now, according to the question, percentage of acid in the resulting mixture should be greater than 15% and less than 18%. Right? So that is 7200 plus 30x over 600 plus x should be greater than 15 and less than 18. This was the percentage of acid. So it should be more than 15 and less than 18. So I have to solve this double inequality. This double inequality is actually a system of inequalities in which there are two inequalities. First is this and second is this. So I have to solve this inequality and this inequality. So I have to solve this system of inequalities. So I need to find out their common solution. So first I'll solve this inequality. Here I'll multiply 1500 with 600 plus x. Right? Yes. This was the total quantity of the mixture. So it has to be positive. So I have multiplied with a positive number, so sign of inequality will not change. So to solve, I'll open the bracket. Here I'll get 9000 plus 15x less than 7200 plus 30x. So it will be 15x minus 30x less than 7200 minus 9000. Here I'll get minus 15x less than, here I'll get 1800 minus 1800. So x will be, right? Now as I have divided with a negative number, so sign of inequality will get reversed. So from here I'll get x is greater than 120. Now similarly I'll solve this inequality. So here I'll get 7200 plus 30x less than 18 into 600 plus x. Again I have multiplied with a positive number, so sign of inequality will not change. So I'll get 7200 plus 30x less than, multiply this, 10800 plus 18x. So 30x minus 18x less than this. So here I'll get 12x less than 3600. So x will be this. As I have divided with a positive number, so sign of inequality will not change. So x will be less than 300. So from these two, x is greater than 120 and less than 300. So the quantity of the solution, 30% acid solution to be added, should lie in this range.